Imagine waking up one day and the job you worked for years in is gone, replaced, not by another person, but by AI. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. But here's the truth, AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating new ones. The question is, will you adapt or will you be left behind? The problem? People still ignoring AI. You ignored Bitcoin in 2010. You ignored the internet before it ruled the world. And now, you're ignoring AI? Some people see AI as just a fancy tool. Others think it's a trend that will fade. But the reality? AI is a once-in-a-lifetime shift, just like the internet. The difference? It's happening faster than anything before. AI is already taking over. Companies are using AI to replace repetitive jobs. Entrepreneurs are making thousands, some even millions, by leveraging AI tools. AI is writing books, coding apps, editing videos, and even running businesses. And while some people are still debating whether AI is good or bad, others are using it to build their future. It's not too late. If you're watching this, you still have time, but not much. AI is evolving every day, and the window to take advantage of it is closing. The people who act now will be the ones ahead in 5 years. The ones who wait, they'll be playing catch-up, or worse, out of the game completely. What can you do? So how do you start? Here's what a normal person, you, can do with AI today. 1. AI for productivity. Use ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Grammarly to improve your writing, automate tasks, and generate ideas. AI for business. Start an AI-powered side hustle. Automate content creation, design with AI tools like Midjourney, or create faceless YouTube videos. 3. AI for learning and growth. Upskill fast. Use AI-powered courses, learn to prompt AI effectively, and gain an edge over others. 4th, AI for income. Offer AI services on Fiverr, build AI-driven websites, or even create your own digital AI product. The time is now. Most people will keep ignoring AI until it's too late. But you have a choice. Either take action now and master AI, or stay the same and risk being left behind. This isn't just motivation, it's reality. AI is already shaping the future. The only question is, will you be part of it? Drop a comment. I'm ready. If you're taking AI seriously, subscribe for more ways to use AI to win.